Brilliant start. Try scored here by the SA under 18 player from last year in 2014, Markus Muller.
In the hand, I think that Basilius, Burden, Peters, there's Markus Muller, there is Markus Muller. You cannot keep him quiet all the time.
Nerves from both sides. This time it's off the top to Paarl Gim. Puts it on the boot just in behind. Fantastic gather here by Paarl Gim.
Oh, Muller over the try line.
Is Edwards does well, but it's Markus Muller who eventually stops him. Batson tries to pick it out, and Pat Kemp is chasing that down. That's pulled into the hands of Markus Muller. And South Africa get an opportunistic try.
Here we go, Louis Kuhn to the line, Muller on the cutback, and I spoke about it. They did it.
On the blind side, a little dab forward. On the chase now, regathered inside ball, Markus Muller on his own field to the delight of the Paarl Gimnasium supporters.
Markus Muller at the receiver. It's a quick set by him. They got the set over. Muller goes. That is a little bit too easy for the team from Paarl. Markus Muller. Interesting setup from this Paarl team.
Should have stopped off and got some for the half-time break here.
Muller. Captain fantastic. 13.
That is so
Boys high 14.
That is so good from Markus Muller. His team needed those 3 points.
Is dit potgieter. En aan die buitekant, Markus, kan jy dit glo?
It's quite a difficult one.
Straight through!
No ways.
Get out of here, Markus Muller!
No ways. That's the second try.
Look at him dancing through. Gets the offload away to Quinton, watching it on the outside. Marvellous Markus to open the scoring. Against the run of play, Paarl Gimnasium take the lead.
Noble told to use it, he finds Markus Muller. He's just going to go straight through. Is this young man from Paarl Gimnasium? He's scored more tries than any junior this year. He's going to tack and go, and he's still going. He's even at it. Want to go all the way. Got the offload on the inside. Magical Markus Muller finishes that one for South
as well, heavily tackled by Muller. Can't get up with the ball there.
He's run straight through and he's going on the outside. Tackle in the end there. And that's Muller, the centre. He takes it up and he runs straight through on the outside. There was a big gap opening up. This young man needs no invitation to the try line.
Again to the right they go now. To the edges. Markus Muller finds Samuel Barnhorst with the offload on the inside. Markus Muller will score with ease here. And he is an exceptional talent. 2 touches of the ball.
Scrum deur Paarl Gimnasium. Koen. Markus Muller. Hy hardloop reguit. Raak af van 2 verdedigers. Ontslaan Markus Muller.
Putting up Josh Neal at the front. Using a vacuum play, peel off and over they go. So stopping the ball as it were, but leaving the vacuum open and waltzing through there for a try. Turner at the back. Markus Muller opens up. There he goes. The golden boy. Surely not. Surely not. Never say that when Markus Muller's got the ball in hand.
In this game. They trail by only 2 this lineup. Maul as a weapon. They play it away quickly from there, and now this time Markus Muller under the sticks. Anything you can do, Ethan Adams, I can do.
Daar kom die vir ons. Pragtige spel daar. En dit, ja, dis die eerste punte aan die kant van Paarl Gimnasium. En natuurlijk die fonds van die seizoen, Markus Muller.
Very effective. Look inside. Borisova receives the inside pass. And who else? Who else? But Captain Markus Muller.
Collects for Paarl Gimnasium. So yeah, out the back. Koen. Oh, that's wonderful distribution by the fly half. Chance early on for Paarl Gimnasium.
Oh my goodness.
A chance that they take. And who else but Markus Muller? Sort of like somebody's flicked a switch and all of a sudden, as Markus Muller slices them open again.
Oh,
when he scores his
goodness.
Markus Muller, my word is good. He is pure class. Thoroughbred Markus Muller.
Oh, trouble out here if they get it wide. Great hands on the outside. There's Markus Muller. Is he going to waltz in for a try? He's a try scoring machine. There's Markus Muller. Brilliant hands by Barker, the inside centre there. Rondebosch caught offside, penalty advantage.
Referee with his arm out. That's a great kick. That's an excellent kick for Markus Muller. Here he goes. Is it going to be a hat-trick of tries? Easy and simple as you like. Excellent work. Enterprising play from Paarl Gim. And the number 13 gets a hat-trick.
Feeding the big heavies on the short run. Markus Muller. Magic. Markus Muller. We said how dangerous he is. The little shot goal.
Kan jy dit glo, die 4-3 wat gedruk word.
It's Mayer this time. Tracks it up. Here comes Markus Muller. And it's try number 36.
Into the hands of Lawrence on the inside. He goes, still going is Lawrence. He's got Muller with him. Markus Muller. He's stuck to stop. It's Markus Muller. He's a fighter indeed. Astonishing Markus Muller. Just magical. From the Paarl Gim.
On state bar. Nicholas Burden wat versprei het en Markus Muller. Vir die eerste keer vanaand, maar die 5de keer by die toernooi.
Taylor now. He's got Muller with him. He gets it. Tries to go on the outside. Still going. It's Markus Muller. Phenomenal stuff by the Paarl Gimnasium people.
Dit is vlugter soms. Williams. Bergman wat aanslaan en Markus Muller wat optel. Nou gaan ons resie sou en is Muller teen Jansies en Markus Muller. Eenvoudig te veel vaart. En die wedstrijd verander in die kwestie van 5 minuten.